Tropical update as of 9:30 p.m. PST. Well, earlier today we found Barry from the depression too. It strengthened to around 45 knots and made landfall at a depression. It ripped apart pretty much. Just a few hours ago. Uh, yeah, easy come, easy go. It's moving northwest for that 320 by 8, and it should be becoming a remnant low pretty soon. Yeah, another fast tropical storm. Here's the models. Easy come, easy go. Yeah, we can show you a satellite image of it. I mean, that's flossie. I mean, holy crap. LSC's about right here, make a landfall. That's looking a little bit better earlier today, even some 45 knot winds. I mean, but it sure went down fast. Now we're gonna look at Flossie. Oh, this is the big show in town. Look at that. Ain't looking too good, but I wouldn't be surprised. It can form a CDO sometime tomorrow, and you get going. And models definitely support this system going to town. Unlike Barry, I mean, here's the track. Keeps it offshore of Mexico. Northwestward, becomes a hurricane by early Tuesday. And in agreement with the models, becomes a hurricane. Yeah. And pretty much it's a broad tropical storm, new Pacific convection forming over the. It could form into a CDO, and as soon as it does so, I think this thing will go to town. They went for 35 knots. Expected to strengthen the next couple of days. Warm water, low vertical shear, and abundant mid-level moisture should allow for velocity to strengthen. Rapid revegetation. These are relatively high compared to climatology, so I think this could go to town. Moving west-northwest for that 295 by 7. Yeah, it will continue doing so. And they still forecast 85 knots by 48 hours. Which is in line with the models, as I showed you. Okay, here's the GFS for 48, 72, 96, 168. What's that? Oh, that's another system. Oh, shit. I mean... And that system is now being watched by the NHC. We could actually have another system. My God. They're already labeling 20% chance for this system. So we're not done for this super active Eastern Pacific season. I mean, ECMWF has the low at 144. CMC has the low. Pretty good agreement for maybe even a 7 tropical cyclone. Well, there's historic season. Flossie is the 6th tropical storm of the season, which is the earliest F storm in history, in recorded history for the season. I mean, and models show another one. Next, we're going to be watching a system in the northeastern Gulf about 6, 7, 8 days. Here's GFS for 156. 174. It really doesn't really show much to GFS. The ECMWF does show a little pressure off the East Coast. The CMC doesn't show it. 138, 168. So we're going to have to watch what happens. I mean, the icon does show low for 120. Let's look at some enablers. Let's see. Low level dynamics. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that dip right there at 120. Look at that velocity at 144. That is potentially need to be watched. And let's look at GPS, which sadly only goes up to 84 right now. Let's go to 156. Really, models really ain't that interested in it right now, but they've been waving back and forth, and so they are worth keeping an eye on. Here's the GFS chosen over Georgia at 168. If it moves southward, it could form into a tropical cyclone. But I want to say something. I think the Eastern Pacific system, I'd label at 40% for 7 days. I think that thing could definitely go. I'd keep this system at 20, but I'd keep the chances that low because it could easily be overland. So I don't think it deserved that high of a chance as of right now. Elsewhere, I don't think anything forms. Let's see for the rest of the world. 98W. And what a joke. But models do kind of explode it, so who knows. 90W, a little bit more interesting. Models exploded. Really, I don't think any of these doesn't have that great of a chance. Even some models are definitely trying to do something. And then I look at Flossie. That's your talk update.